Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, you'll notice we've got the ultimate Mark 7 Golf R back in for some more upgrades to make it even better than before. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, you won't miss if our new videos go live. So how can we make the ultimate Mark 7 Golf R even better than before? Well, we can do that with the help of Vektortechnik. Vektortechnik isn't a brand I've ever heard before up until about a week ago. But a couple of other people, when we posted the gauges on social media, had heard of them and have really good reviews about them. The company actually produces gauges for obviously like Mark 7 platform, loads of other different models like BMWs, Yaris, things like that, and it integrates into the driver's side, left-hand side mount, vent rather, for the UK spec cars. So obviously the gauges that are commonly on the market at the moment, usually like a little slit in the vent, which obviously you can't really see too much detail, but this particular vent is a very nice detailed screen, so you've got very nice resolution on there, really nice colors, and you've got a hell of a lot of information. So you've got really accurate GPS, like 30 Hertz, so you can do all your 100s, 200s, and you can monitor all of the parameters that sort of like the ECU can see through the camber system. So it's a really nice gauge, and we're really looking forward to fitting it on this car, testing it out, and seeing how it can improve the ultimate Mark 7 Golf R. So yeah, we're gonna get the car in the workshop, get it fitted, and then show you all the different functions at the end of the video. Okay, so we've got the Vektortechnik gauge installed. So as you can see, it covers the whole entire vent gauge. So one of the dashes we've got at the moment is obviously dash 1 that we've sort of customized. So each one of these little squares you can change depending on what you want. So for example, at the moment we've got all temperature water, we've got boost, intake air temperature, and like throttle body and throttle percentage open. So if we click on all temp, we can choose from a load of different parameters, like you've got all your ignition angles there, like vehicle speed, exhaust temperature, water temperature, lambda, voltage, torque, fuel pressure, DHD temperature, loads of different parameters that obviously you might want to monitor if you're using the car on track or driving the car hard on the street. You can see in the top right, you've got the strength of the GPS signal. So as you can see, we've got like the 5 little dots, we've got the strongest available. You can also preset some different dashes across here. So obviously you might want to have like one particular setup for just cruising around town. You might want to have another setup for doing like track days or like 100 to 200 kilometers, things like that. And then also obviously on this product, you've got a few different other things. For example, we've got the performance meter, so you've got like 60 to 100, 60 to 110, and the all important 100 to 200 kilometers an hour. So as soon as you start moving, this will start to register whatever time it is, and it's 30 Hertz as well, so it's refreshing 30 times a second, so it's really accurate. And on this, you've got, you can dyno the car. Obviously it's like a calculated measurement on there. You've got coding of the car, so you can code all kinds of different things that you want. So the active sound module that most people obviously delete. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.